I think it just did rain a lot. Like while I was there, it did rain a lot. But we managed to make it through and reach here. I bought some of these and some veggies. I won't be eating them together, of course. These ones, I'll just like put them into some water and just like let them stand over there so that they don't dry up. But I'm so obsessed with spinach at the moment and veggies, in fact. So let's prepare this while I tell you how my day was. So these are actually, I think, the smoked sausages. I like them smoked because they're ready. So you just need like to put a little bit of heat on them, and that's it. So I have two ways that I normally like make them. I have the method where I split them into two, and the method where I slice them into tiny pieces. Now the tiny pieces, I find it's the one that normally turns out perfectly or great. So I think I bought these at around 300 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, I think around 280 Kenyan shillings. And they are always available at the supermarket. So yeah. So what I wanted to say is it's raining, like it's raining a lot. And what I've realized, when it rains at your place, it doesn't mean other people receive the rain too. You will find that some places it didn't rain. And I'm saying this like in comparison with here in town, not like far places like where you need like to travel a lot to get there. I'm just talking of distance of around 50 Kenyan shillings or something. So I'm measuring it in the amount we do pay for the vehicle. So it did rain a lot, like it was so swampy, and the way the drainage is so poor. I just hated it. In fact, I think I felt as though I wouldn't get to where I was going, or I'm going to be rained on once I do a light from the car at my place. Then apparently halfway from town it didn't rain till my place. So I don't understand, because rains here just, I feel at the moment they're so serious. So this is what you're having, and I'm going to be putting them on my sufuria. But before that, I want to put some liquid oil. So I'll be adding this. This is just some salad and some, I think, a pinch of salt. I don't even need the salt, by the way. Now I'll be having this with bread, and actually it will just like, it will stay in the house for some time. It won't like, it's not, I'm not going to like eat all of it soon. So then I'm going to put it on heat, low heat, and just wait for them to be brownish. They're going to be yummy. Then I'm going to make kachumbari and eat with bread. Hello. So, if you're watching this, pray for us who live in Nairobi because it is so like too much is going on with the rains. But we're just like holding on to God for protection. So today I do want to make some, I don't know what they're called, the tiny fishes. We call them omena. That's what I do want to make. And I don't know what omena are called in English, by the way. Fingerlings. I don't know. And some ugali. That's what I'll be having for supper. So I haven't done anything the whole day apart from scroll on my phone, watch the disasters out there and what actually is going on. And I was lucky I did not go to work on Friday because that's when it actually like really poured on CBD. So there's a huge problem. There's a huge problem out there with the drainage, with the floods, with the too much rain, and it's not even funny at all. It's just something else. So let me just start the preparation of those whatever I'm having for supper because lights are dimmed like to go off. Yesterday they did go off. So let me start preparation for that because I don't want one to eat late and two to sleep hungry. I'm going to start by doing my dishes. Then I want first to select the omena, then do the dishes, then cook the omena, then cook the ugali.